Hey, Sunshine.
Look at the camera. Oh. I thought he's gonna fall. And he's crawling my back.
Hey. Hello, pretty girl.
Oh. I think I have wings. Like Sunshine is stretching his wings.
Sunshine.
I thought Sunshine was stretching his wings or not. I'm just getting walked by my back is on a bird. A bird is on my back. I think
Hey,
Sunshine
Sunshine.
likes me.
Hey. Hi.
And Sunshine right up here. Eat some bread.
Hey,
I think
Sunshine.
Sunshine's
Pretty
full. I think Sunshine's full.
Get it, straighten up. She'll walk up back to your shoulder.
But he'll fall down.
No, she won't. Hi.
Hey, where is he? Ah, there you are.
All right, stand there. Want to eat, Sunshine? Want some bread?
I think that was a yes. Because birds don't say anything.
They don't.
Yeah, they're just like cheepy.
Chirping?
Mm-hmm.
Chirping. They chirp a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Bye, Sunshine. I'm leaving.
What?
Kidding. Sunshine. She's just eating away.
Really? You're gonna leave without taking a photo?
I'm just kidding. I just want to see your reaction. Bye. Bye-bye.
Really?